Hello, welcome. My name is Mushan Payeski. I share my daily vlogs, learning experiences to inspire you to discover the extraordinary things in ordinary lives. Now you would wonder, is that a fake wall or it's real? Where am I at now? You would wonder, what the heck you're doing? I'm at a parking lot practicing my dance moves. I originally planned to go to gym with my stepdaughter, but I felt so exhausted and sleepy. I fell asleep in the car, and then I felt cold and I felt sleepy, but I needed to do something. So I started dancing in the parking lot, and here I am. I remembered my dance moves of one part of the music, and it's not perfect, but I think I made improvements. And also today, you probably have noticed I'm wearing this t-shirt. Is that I went to a volunteer activity, on-site volunteer activity, meal packing for the hungry kids at the Feed My Starving Children. And I was joined by a couple of colleagues from our local office. I enjoyed it because volunteering is something I thought is a great way to give back to the society. And I'm very grateful for what I have been enjoying. And I have the ability to contribute. And also volunteering is not about how much time you have. It's about how much you truly care. So I took a few hours out of my work time to volunteer, and that was supported by our company, and because May is the Global Volunteer Month, and it's also our AAPI month. As a member of Asian Pacific Islander community, I'm proud to represent our community, and I organized this volunteer event. Not many showed up, but I'm grateful for the two colleagues who I have never met, and also from different offices joined me to do this volunteer work. We packed many meals for many kids. Again, volunteering is not about time, about how much time you have. You can always arrange some time to volunteer, to contribute. And also, yeah, tonight I'm just waiting for my stepdaughter to be done with her workout. And I also enjoyed some outdoor exercise. Now I'm finally awake. Okay, hope you had a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.